Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Everyone in BTS are close to each other. They all are friends, but no one can deny special bond Jimin and Jungkook shares. I think they both treat each other like an equal. Jungkook seems more comfortable around Jimin. According to him, Jimin is his catalyst. BTS's Jimin recently held a watch-along for his newest documentary called Jimin's Production Diary. As expected, there were some hilarious moments as Jimin not only showed off his new orange hair but also watched his documentary along with ARMYs, with some iconic reactions to different scenes. During the broadcast, netizens couldn't hide their shock when a surprise guest made an appearance, and it was none other than BTS's Jungkook. During the broadcast, Jungkook made a surprise appearance. Rather than just coming to say hi, Jungkook was shocked when he was given a microphone and chair. It seems like the staff hoped he would stay and watch some of it with Jimin. After greeting everyone, Jimin touched Jungkook's chest and seemed sad when he pointed out that the youngest member had lost weight. Jungkook explained that he had just finished practicing, and suddenly Jimin said, "You can go now." As he was leaving, he was saying goodbye to ARMYs when Jimin hilariously asked him to take his chair with him. After Jungkook left the broadcast, netizens couldn't get over the unexpected cameo from BTS's youngest member. In particular, they lolled at Jimin suddenly. As always, the bond between the BTS members is so strong. Even though Jungkook was busy preparing for his upcoming album, he made time to pop in and see Jimin. Even Jin and J-Hope messaged Jimin in the Weverse chat while enlisted. What do you think? Write in the comment section. See you in the next video.